Hello guys, today I'm super excited for showing you this new product that I received. It's an extensible for your Apple Watch, and well, I choose this design. I want to show you closer because really it's incredible. It has a lot of like designed and different type of bands. So I'm going to be putting this one in my Apple Watch, and then I'm going to show you how beautiful it looks. Well, I like because this is just one and the other ones they came like to separate. So I'm going to try to put this one. My Apple Watch goes like this. So the first one, you need to put it here. Okay, I have the size 45 millimeters, and right now it's fitting perfect. I already put it, and the Apple Watch will look like this before you use it, and then you're just going need to open it like this and like clip it in your hand with this ones that it comes here. So I'm going to be trying to put that. I'm going to put like this my hand for showing you how to put it. You have this one, this part that you need to click it on this part, okay? So we're going to put it like this, then we're going to use this one, and then we have this one to click it on here. We close it. Okay guys, I already have it put it on, and this is how it looks, the Apple Watch. I want to show you that really I like it a lot because I think it is incredible that you can have like bracelets and then your Apple Watch at the same time. And well, I like it a lot because they are super beautiful. All of them, it has a different design, so it looks like if you have a lot of bracelets, and well, you just have it with one, put it on. So I think it is super beautiful, and like you can see, it fits super perfect on me, this size. So, and I choose the size 45 because my Apple Watch, it's that one. So I like it too much. I hope you like it. And well, I think this product, it's a super perfect gift. And I also want to mention you that all these bands, it feels of a super good quality. So I hope you like it.